Hey, welcome back, everybody. I am outside on the weather deck for the best reason you could possibly ever be outside on the weather deck, because we're talking barbecue, and we've got a couple of special guests here. This is Mike. He's from Pappys Smokehouse in St. Louis, Missouri. Mike, welcome to Denver. Good to have you.
Thank you. It's really an honor to be here. Denver has been very, very good to us. We're enjoying it.
That's good to hear, and not a bad barbecue town as well. I mean, we're definitely working on our barbecue skills.
Well, you got a young man here who's really stepping up his game. I mean, I would be remiss if I didn't tell you that this is some of the best barbecue you're going to have.
Really?
Right. Oh, I'm telling you, this boy can cook.
Well,
Jason.
let's introduce you to Jason. This is Jason from GQue. Good to have you, my friend. What are you cooking on the grill this morning?
So today we got some spare ribs, we got some jalapeno cheddar sausage, and we've got some beef brisket.
Nice. Nothing says good morning like a little barbecue.
Yeah, so it'll get you going in the morning, those odors for sure.
Well, and we're here to talk about this big barbecue fest, Jason, because this is a big deal. This is going to be a giant festival, which I think it's about time we have something like this here in Denver. Don't you think?
Oh, this is really kind of a cool event. We bring 10 of the best pit masters from around the country in, and you know, to have Jason be with us is just, it makes it even better. He does have some St. Louis connections, so we're happy to mention that. But
he just tells you that to make you feel warm and fuzzy. So this is going to be one of those things you can come for free. You just got to pay for the samplings and the barbecue, right?
Yeah, Friday night will be a VIP event where it's a ticketed event. You can come in and try everything, and we'll have lots of good eats, lots of good drinks. Saturday and Sunday, it'll be you get in for free, and then you can go to each pit master and try what he's got. And what's really cool about it is you bring a family of 4 down, and you can spend a day and do a good event for under $75.
Which is hard to do these days. I've got 3 kids. Everything's expensive. And so this is June 15th to the 17th. Obviously, that's a little ways out, but it's going to be right in the prime of summer. I mean, Jason, you have to be pretty stoked about this as a local guy to have this event here in our own backyard.
Yeah, Mike's saying a lot of nice things about me, but this is a new kind of venture for me, and I've looked up to this guy for 10 years. So to be sharing a weekend with him barbecuing is a huge thrill for me, as well as the other 9 guys that are coming all the way from, we got guys from Texas, we got guys from Iowa, we got guys from Missouri. We got awesome pit masters coming here Father's Day weekend to cook for everyone in Denver.
What a perfect weekend, Father's Day weekend, because a lot of dads are going to be jonesing for some barbecue. All right, so I want the best piece of advice from both of you guys. For all of us homers at home that are trying to do barbecue, what can I do to kick it up just a notch?
What I always tell everybody is make friends with your butcher. You know, you want to start with you can't paint
huge difference.
You cannot paint a pretty picture unless you start out with a good canvas.
Interesting.
And that's what Jason does here. He uses the best product available.
Yeah.
And the kid can cook, you know, so that helps too. But no, the number 1 tip I would say is, you know, start with the best meat you can.
Awesome. Jason, any simple piece of advice before we go?
Yeah, piggyback what Mike said, but just be satisfied with where time takes you and less worried about where the food ends up.
Did you say piggyback? All right, guys, so it's Father's Day weekend, June 15th to the 17th. It's at Mile High Stadium. This thing is going to be huge. Thank you all for coming in. We're going to get some knives out. We're going to start cutting, cooking, eating some food here, but I'm going to send it into Megan. Megan, do you have a preference here? Would you like a piece of sausage, a rib? What do you want?
Can you bring it all back?
Bring it all, she says.
My
kind of girl right there. We can do that.
All right, we'll see you in a minute.
Send it in, you guys.
Thanks. 8:46 right now. The Fox 31 problem solvers.